Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable secure boot in HP window. The first thing to do is to access your BIOS/UEFI settings. How? Restart your HP computer. During the initial boot screen, repeatedly press the designated key. It could be escape, F10, F2 or delete. Depends on your computer. To enter the BIOS/UEFI setup menu. Once you press the designated key and you've gotten to the setup menu, the specific key, by the way, like I said, is often displayed on the screen during startup. Next, you have to locate secure boot. Navigate using the arrow keys through the BIOS/UEFI menus. Look for a section related to security boot or authentication. Within that section, you should find an option labeled Secure Boot. Disable Secure Boot. Select the Secure Boot option and choose Disabled. Confirm and save the changes and exit the BIOS/UEFI settings. You may need to confirm the change by pressing F10 or another designated key to be on the computer. Next, you have to restart your computer. The computer will now restart with Secure Boot disabled. Note: disabling Secure Boot can compromise security of the system by allowing unsigned or potentially malicious software to run. So use this option with caution and only when necessary. Also, if you're using Windows 11, displaying Secure Boot may prevent your system from booting correctly or may cause compatibility issues with certain hardware or software. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about your HP model, refer to the HP support documentation or contact HP support directly for assistance. Note that modifying BIOS/UEFI settings can have unintended consequences, so proceed with caution and ensure you understand the potential risk before making any changes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.